Tracy and the Big D here on a Wednesday night, right through until 10 o'clock. That's this week's number 38 on the charts, Sarah Storer, Song for Grace. Sarah Storer, of course, very famous for her ballads and really singing about this beautiful country. And another young lady who's made a career of doing that is Anita Ree, and everyone around the bush ballad circuits would certainly know Anita's name, and I'm pleased to say that she joins us tonight. Anita, a new single out there. Tell us all about it.
Yes, g'day folks. Nice to be with you tonight. Yeah, the new single is called Bottom of the Tide, a song I wrote myself here by the Susan River between Maryborough and Harvey Bay. And it's one of those songs I call an after-disaster song rather than a love song. It's basically about moving on in a way that a bush girl would.
Are you originally from the Wide Bay region?
Yep, sure. I grew up here. I'm actually sitting in the farmhouse where I grew up at the moment, so I've got some pretty firm roots here in this area. And yeah, look, it's a great spot to be. You know, I've drove all around the state and all around Australia, and I always end up back here. So must be something about it. It
must be, as a Wide Bay resident, then, to have an asset like Pacific International Music based there right in Harvey Bay. That must be something really special for you.
How wonderful is it? I've known of Rob and Gary for a long time, of course, as the Bobcat. I've just started this new association with them as Pacific International Music, or Rob in particular. Gee, it's been a good thing for me, so close to home, but also very professional with some wonderful ideas and great feel for someone's unique sound.
And when you bring up that unique sound, I remember Anita Ree from many, many moons ago and performing at Yandina here at the Yandina Hall of Fame. I know. I know.
A while ago.
I
must have been very young when
you were. So we remember all the way back from there and through to there. But the one thing that really stands out with Anita Ree, when we first saw you a couple of years ago, we'll just say a couple of years ago, but you had an Anita Ree style, and it has stayed with you all the way through. And it's something like today you hear Anita Ree, it's the same thing. So you know, a lot of artists will go one way, then they may veer off. But you seem to have stayed there. Is there a passion that you have stayed there and you've got, no, that's it, this is who I am?
I think for me it's about, you know, the fact that I am very Australian within where I've come from and who I am, and I guess that has just stayed with me wherever I go, and I try really hard to just be myself. I mean, you do get steered off the course or let yourself get off the course, I suppose, sometimes. Yeah, look, I guess my thing for music is to just try and be who I am, and I think that's probably what you're talking about.
Well, I have to say, before I forget, I do have to send you a very big bushy hello from Paul. A bushy hello from Paul Grierson. Paul said, cool. Please say hello to Anita for me. Sure. So there you go. I've done it, Paul. I'm off the hook. Paul.
Yeah, look, we've just had a great weekend with the Bushies and a bunch of other wonderful acts out at Music in Mulga this weekend, and it was a sensational weekend. If you're ever out that way, folks, next year they have the same thing, and what a wonderful event and a wonderful weekend full of wonderful artists with some great ideas for a country music show, or a music show, actually. Fabulous weekend.
So you've just done the Mulga, so what is in store for the rest of the year for Anita Ree?
Well, look, a big year. Nothing much on this month coming now, but in July I'm going to release the new album, which is very nearly finished, and had a little listen to yesterday, and that was very exciting. So I've got a fair bit on in July. I'm going to Glen Innes for the first High Country Festival there, the first weekend in July. Having a launch here in Maryborough a couple of weekends after that. And then later on in the year I'm doing Texas and Mildura, and I've got a big tour booked around the bottom of South Australia and Victoria and back up into Queensland, and then it's Christmas time.
Yeah, it comes around very quickly, doesn't it?
Holy heck, that's right. So look, lots of singing and performing and promoting the new album and the new single in this last half of this year, and I'm really looking forward to being back out there amongst the people. I love being on the road and the driving and the touring and the seeing the country and meeting the people, and I get some wonderful opportunities on my way around which lead to some great songs, you know. So That's what it's about for me, I think.
I imagine it would, but you make sure you pack your woolies when you're heading to Glen Innes in July. By golly, that is going to be freezing. It's not going to be It's not going to be anything like sitting on the banks of the Susan River in the Wide Bay region. That's for sure.
That's right.
Folks, let's have a listen to Anita Ree. This is the new song. It's called "Bottom of the Tide," and she paints the picture of putting us right there beside the Susan River homestead in Wide Bay. Anita, thanks very much. Good luck for the rest of the album, and good luck for the rest of 2015.
Thanks so very much.